showing you guys all my fidgets. There's this whole backpack full of fidgets and surprises. And there's also a little gaming keychain pocket. And I also have this circle poppet, a rip-off circle poppet. I got angry, then I ripped it, so okay. It opened up for me. Okay, I think you guys probably know this if you guys have TikTok. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. Okay, so anyways, I got this zipper thing. I got McDonald's fries. Oh, my homemade squishy's breaking. Well, this is a homemade squishy. It's a bad one. Anyways, this one's so much better. So much better. Okay, then I also have this, and there's a phone on the back. I didn't even make this. Someone gave it to me. I got this creeper squishy that I got given to for my birthday. This is also given to me. I made this. I made this one. Squishy. I had another one like this. Exactly the same exact one. And I might have popped it. I was mad. I got banana squishy. It's so cute. Banana. Okay, that's enough of that. And my first homemade squishy. It's not the best. I have another one. This is kind of ASMR video and a fidget video. So I got slime in here. I'll take a little out to play with. It smells like cotton candy. I swear. So fun. It's butter slime. No, it's cloud slime, I think. Okay. It doesn't really do bubbles. I wish it did. But anyways, it's gonna take me a minute to put this on. Surprisingly, it actually did it. But anyways, pineapple squishy. Cute. Anyways, this is Play-Doh. Black Play-Doh I got from Halloween. Surprisingly, it's actually really good. And Halloween was last year. It's like July 6th or 5th. I'm pretty sure it's 5th though. Most likely 6th though. I forgot to change the calendar. It's 6th. Hold up. Dad, is it the 6th? What? Is it the 6th? I don't know what you're talking about. Come here! No, I'm not ready. Is it the 6th? Yeah. Yes, it is the 6th of... Wait. What month is it? January. The 6th of January. Okay, but this is actually really good Play-Doh, as you can see. That's my mini backpack I got for Christmas. Mr. Grinch, he's a mean man. I'm sweet. Okay, enough being weird for that one. Yes, you heard me, that one. Okay. A puzzle piece puppet. Okay, then I have all these, like, let me get them all. I have all of these like puzzle piece puppets. I get one, like, there. And then I have Pea Popper. Okay. I actually have this, like, heart squishy from Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree is $1.25 now. Like, call it $1.25 now. $1.25 tree. Anyway, this is a very annoying squishy, but never bring this to class. That's me trying to not make it laugh. This is me trying to make it laugh. Okay, anyways. Sing the song with me. It's corn, a big lump of knobs. It has the juice, it has the juice. Okay. I put this on my Stitch keychain. I'll probably get it later. Oh, here's another puzzle piece. Hold on. Comment what you think the next thing is gonna be without me telling you. It's a tank. I forgot what it was called, but gotcha. I think. Okay. Montage. Okay. Unicorn pop it. Lion pop it. Okay. Box pop it. Okay. Snail pop it. My favorite squishy. I also got this from Dollar Tree. It was $1.25, like I said. Let me look for it in all these Fidgets. Oh, close Dollar Tree, 25 cents. Not that, $1.25. Montage. Pop tube. I probably scared my dad while he's playing Mario Kart, probably. Oh, I forgot about my favorite squisher. Got it from my mom. Grand Rapids. Yeah. I swear. So, you do flatten it, then hold it like this. It's so fun, and it's golden, and it's fun to play with. And the, oh yeah, I got a mochi. Big that tummy. Anyways. Hippopotamus, all I want for Christmas. Only what I want to do. No rhinoceros, no hippopotamus. I only wanna hippopotamuses. And hippopotamuses love me too. I still have fidget spinner. Okay, I have something funny to show you guys with this skeleton. I named him Mr. Grinch. Okay. I took off my earrings and did a kick into the split sleigh. Yeah, do I have your attention? Yeah. Do I have your attention? Yeah. Okay. What is this? I got another one. Tiny Sprouty. Another puppet piece. And that's not all. I'm still going. See this big boy? Yeah. A puppet bracelet. More pieces. And this football. And that's all for the fidgets. I hope y'all like it. That's all. Yippee! If y'all didn't know, my name's Savannah, and I'm 10. Have a good day. Bye, y'all.